If your bookkeeping feels more like a chore than a tool that actually helps you, that's your first red flag. Today, I'm breaking down the 3 signs it's officially time to switch your bookkeeping software before 2026 rolls in. If you've been wrestling with spreadsheets, or maybe your current system is leaving you more confused than confident, this is your wake-up call. Switching season is officially here. And now is the perfect time to clean house and get yourself set up for a much easier tax time come next year. And at the end of this video, I'll tell you why you should not wait till the beginning of next year to switch a system that just is not working for you. For those that don't know me, hi, I'm Jamie Trull, CPA and financial educator, and here on this channel, I love to bring small business owners the tools to keep them informed, organized, and profitable in their business finances. So as always, please make sure to like and subscribe. So let's go over those 3 signs that it is time to switch your bookkeeping software. First and foremost, sign number 1, you're still doing everything manually. If you're still entering transactions by hand or reconciling your bank accounts with a sticky note or a spreadsheet, it's probably time to switch. Now, while I do offer a spreadsheet that helps people track their finances and create a profit and loss statement, that isn't a sustainable methodology as your business continues to grow. So if you've got hundreds of transactions and you're still copy pasting into a spreadsheet, then it's probably time to do something that's a little bit more sophisticated. There are tools that exist out there like FreshBooks that have lots of automation built into the system. They can link your bank account, automatically categorize expenses, and create ready-to-go reports that you can use both for tax time, but also to help you make important decisions in your business all year long. And this automation saves so much time and energy in the long run. Plus, as you can see here, FreshBooks is really clean and actually kind of pretty and can help you make the decisions that you need to make in your business. A system like FreshBooks absolutely can do so much of the heavy lifting that can have you focusing on the more important things in your business. All right, sign number 2 that it might be time to switch your bookkeeping software. And that is that you don't feel like your software was built for you. I'm gonna be honest, some bookkeeping softwares feel like they were built for accountants, and that's because they really kind of were. If your current software is clunky or confusing or constantly making you Google accounting terms to figure out what it's trying to tell you, that's a problem. You deserve a tool that's simple, intuitive, and built for the way that your mind works. And not only that, your bookkeeping software should do more than just bookkeeping. A good bookkeeping software, something like FreshBooks, is also going to have lots of additional features that help you run your business more effectively and efficiently. That includes features like invoicing, time tracking, payments, and a lot more. Speaking of FreshBooks, I did a full video on just their invoicing functionality and how great I think it is right here. And sign number 3 that it's time to switch to a new bookkeeping software if your books are not helping you make decisions. This is a really big one, and if you watch this channel at all, you know it's something that I'm super passionate about. Bookkeeping is not just something to do for tax season. Yes, it's very important for taxes, but that is not the only or even the primary purpose of keeping your books up to date. The real purpose is to have the numbers and the data in front of you to make better decisions in your business all year long. If you're not sure how much profit you're actually making, where your cash is going, or what's actually driving your growth or lack thereof, your current system is holding you back. When you don't have a software that's giving you real-time financial updates, you can overspend, underprice, and miss opportunities. Now, if you're watching this and you're saying to yourself, I don't even know what to do with all of that information, all of those numbers, I don't know how to read my financials in a way that it actually makes sense, well, that's a good time to plug my brand new book, Hidden Profit, which helps you through all of that. It can help you understand your financial statements and use that information to be able to find hidden profit in your business. So definitely check that out if you haven't yet. And we have bonuses available at jamietrull.com/hidden profit. And one of the things I actually mention in this book is the importance of using some type of system in order to make sure that your books stay accurate and well organized. And that's something that FreshBooks can absolutely do. Now, if you're thinking, doesn't it make sense to wait until the beginning of a new year to institute a new accounting software? It can, but I actually think that for a lot of people, especially if you haven't kept up with your books all year in your current system, it might make sense that before the end of the year, you go ahead and switch to a new system and do your bookkeeping for the year in that system. In FreshBooks, you can go back and bring in those transactions back to even the beginning of this year if you want to, and use that for 2025. And if you do that, you'll get a head start on 2026. And even if you decide, you know what, I'm going to close out in my old software for this year, I'm going to start new in the new software, it still could make sense to go ahead and sign up before the end of the year to give you some time to really get to know the software and get things started. And that way you can be off and running on January 1st. Now, the thing that might keep people back from switching is feeling like it's going to be too difficult or take too much time. But I'm here to tell you that switching absolutely does not have to be hard. FreshBooks actually makes the transition super easy. They've got migration support and honestly a pretty easy learning curve. And that's true even if you're not a numbers person or an accountant. If you want to learn how to switch systems, you can check out this video. I do talk specifically about switching from QuickBooks, but this video is really going to be relevant no matter which other bookkeeping software you're switching from. And if you're thinking, okay, Jamie, fine, I'll go ahead and make the switch, it's time. Well, thankfully I have something just for you. I've negotiated a special discount. Right now it's 90% off for 4 months, but go check out the actual link to see what the current discount is, depending on when you're watching this. But you can check that out at jamietrull.com/FreshBooks. And my deal generally is going to save you pretty big from whatever the regular FreshBooks deal is directly on their website. So you definitely want to use my link if you're going to sign up. And if you're still in the evaluation phase, trying to decide what makes sense for you, I've got you. I did an entire comparison of various different bookkeeping softwares that you can find over at jamietrull.com/accounting. Switching season is the perfect time to upgrade and start the brand new year fresh. Literally. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and also tell me in the comments below, what's one thing you wish bookkeeping software could do better? Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.